How to make post private on Tumblr. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Tumblr app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Tumblr account. Now, once inside the app, all you have to do is create your post as usual. Simply tap on the pencil icon at the bottom right corner of your screen to create a new post and put down the text, image, video, or any post you want to. Now all you have to do is tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen and some options will be available. From there, tap on the post privately. Then once you tap on the private, this makes the post visible only to you. Now all you have to do is click post to finalize and save it privately on your feed. You can also go back to your profile and check if it is posted privately. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.